Hi students, it is Mastan. Today we're discussing about power electronics subject. So what is mean power electronics? So why you go for this subject? So what are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? So what are the topics are discussing in this concept? So it is very important topics in core subjects in our electrical department. So power electronics is the best subject for controlling conversion of any, that is voltage levels, low voltage, low voltage levels, whatever you have to done. So it is a P the best choice for controlling any concept. So here we're discussing power electronics subject. So first, what is mean by power electronics subject? So what is mean power electronics? Power electronics is the subject concerning the application of electronics at high rated power levels, or it is a technology associated with efficient conversion and control of electrical power by using semiconductor devices. So PE subject is the best choice. I selected, not only I selected, is the best subject to analyze to controlling of any, that is power system, machines, control systems, um, whatever it is, household purposes or industrial purposes or some other companies, different industrial areas. We are using best number of applications of PE. So first of all, we discuss about what is mean PE. PE means it is a technology associated with efficient conversion and control of electrical power. Conversion and control of electrical power by using power semiconductor devices. So PE means here number of power levels are there. Suppose if you take machines, electrical machines are there. So the number of sizes is very large, high power levels also. So suppose power levels are increases, the size of the machine also increases. But in this PE concept, so the power levels all increases, but size is very less compared to mana. That means machines also. Suppose if you take any control, suppose if you convert voltage levels also, so we are using PE concepts. So that's why the PE is the best. So PE is a very advantage to control or conversion of any electrical power by using power semiconductor devices. So power semiconductor devices, we know about, well known about semiconductor devices in previous semesters also. So semiconductor devices are there. So that is diodes, transistors, FETs. So number of semiconductor devices are there. So depends upon the terminals, depends upon the junctions. So you know about semiconductor devices. What is mean semiconductor devices? It allows a partial amount of current compared to conductor also. So that is a property of semiconductor. So uh, it is a main definition of PE. Okay. Now, what is the main black diagram of PE means? Here I'm taken as simple black diagram. So input power, and it is a converter. Converter means converter consisting of all semiconductor devices. So that is converter has inductor, the semiconductor devices inbuilt, that is with inductors, resistors, and capacitors also. The most of the cases we are considered as inductor capacitance, not as a resistor element. Why? Because there is some losses are there. So, but in case of inductor capacitor, it stores energy in the form of one is inductor magnetic field, one is a electric field. So that's we consider only inductor and capacitor. So some of the cases also we consider R only, but maximum cases we consider only inductor and capacitors. So here I'm taking as power converter. Power converter is a PE converter. Power converter is a PE converter. So PE converters means either different converters are there. So later we discuss what are the classifications. So here I'm taking as black diagram. So power input, power output, power converter. There is a controller. So controller function is, there is a feedback is taken from power output that is given to the controller. Controller is taken. Controller is input is some reference input is given to the controller. So controller uh, controls the converter. So which time it becomes turn on, it becomes turn off. So what is the output voltage we required? So these are all our functions can be decided by the controller output. So the controller output is given to the power converter. Okay, so that is the, it is the black diagram. So see the black diagram. So power input, power converter, power output, and controller. So controller input is taken as reference. So commanding whatever it is. So controller function is what? So reference and power output is given. There is some error is getting, that error is given to the power converter. So the power converter is taken, that input from the output from the controller is given to the input of the power converter. So that is decided the number of switches are having in a power converter, that switches are turn on or turn off. Okay, so that is the time can be decided by the controller output. So this is happening in a PE. Okay, so the overall circuit is very simple. So it is a main simple black diagram. Now, so what are the applications, what are the classifications of power converter, power electronics? Classifications of power electronics. So power electronics classifications are: first, AC to DC converters. So AC to DC AC indicates alternating current, DC in direct current. So alternating current to direct current converters, that is called as rectifiers. And second one is DC to AC converters, it is called inverters. Third, DC to AC converters, it is called choppers. Fourth, AC to AC converters, it is called cycle converters. And fifth one is AC voltage regulators. So now we discuss briefly about classifications of PE converters. So rectifier means input is given to the alternating voltage at constant voltage and constant frequency given to the PE converter. So that is rectifier. So what is the rectifier output we are getting as a DC at variable voltage? DC at variable voltage. Rectifier means it converts fixed AC to variable AC, variable DC. It converts fixed AC to variable DC voltage. It is called as a rectifier. Second is inverter. So DC at constant voltage given to the input of the PE converter. That PE converter is an inverter. So we are getting output is what? AC at desired voltage and frequency. So simply it is inverter is called as DC, converts DC to AC. Simple. What is inverter means? It is called as, it converts fixed DC to variable AC voltage. Simple definitions. And chopper. So chopper means simply it is DC to DC. So DC to means input is DC at constant, output DC at desired voltage. Okay, chopper is called as a fixed DC to same. It converts DC voltage to DC voltage is called as a chopper. And cycle converter. Cycle converter means both input and a output both are AC. So that is cycle converter means AC at constant voltage and frequency is given to the input. That converter can be converted as AC output voltage at desired voltage and frequency. It is called as a cycle converter. Cycle converter means one more definition are there in cycle converter: input power at one frequency to output power different frequency. Input power at one frequency to output power at different frequency is called as a cycle converter. So that means simply it is called as a cycle converter means what? So input is given to the AC voltage, output is also getting as AC. Simply it is called AC, cycle converter. But the power frequency is different. Input power at one frequency, output power at different frequency. It is called as a cycle converter. Now last one is AC voltage controller. AC voltage controller means AC at constant voltage is given to the input of the converter. It converts AC desired voltage, that is fixed AC to variable AC. Simple, it is called as a definition of AC voltage controller is fixed AC given to the fixed AC. It converts fixed AC to variable AC voltage at constant frequency. Simple it is. Okay. And the why you consider PE? Why you consider power electronic subjects? So here I discussed simulation, computing, signal processing, analog electronics, digital electronics, microcontrollers, electromagnetics, systems and control theory, electrical machines, power systems, circuit theory, solid state physics. So these are all we are using as PE. So what is mean the PE? Conversion control of electrical power by using semiconductor devices. It's very simple. So the semiconductor device size is very less, power levels also high. So depends upon that we consider most of the devices is PE devices. Okay. So here uh, the the applications of the PE means simulation, everything, signal processing, analog, digital, microcontrollers, control systems, machines, power systems, control theory, solid state physics, everything we are using as a PE concept. So that's why we consider PE is a main. Okay. And we know about ideal switch characteristics. The first point, turns on and off in 0 times. Within 0 times, the turn on and off will be happen. So on state means what? 0 voltage stop, high current. Off state voltage, zero current and withstand high voltage. And fourth one is zero power switching, high reliability, small size and weight. There is no maintenance. Means simple. Special, there is no requirement special equipments to maintenance for ideal switches. So that is the properties of ideal switches. So the same property are having as a PE also, some more different, a little bit different. So discuss what we have here. Now advantages of power electronics. So why you consider PE means first advantages. So first advantages, high efficiency of conversion due to low losses in electronic devices. High efficiency. High efficiency means electronic devices are small in small size, so that's why efficiency is also high. And one more is power levels also high, low losses in electronic devices. If you consider any electronic device, there is no not only losses is zero, some more losses compared to remaining devices. In electronic devices are very low losses are considered, so that's why it has high efficiency. Then high reliability. Efficiency is more, reliability also more. So long life and less maintenance. Long life means what? Size is very less. There is no separate requirements for maintenance. And fast dynamic response. Small in size, less weight and cost, and fast dynamic response due to static devices. So it is advantages why we consider PE concepts. So PE means high efficiency, high reliability, long life, fast dynamic response, small size and less maintenance, less weight and cost also very less, and fast dynamic response. Okay, high efficiency is more, efficiency is more, reliability is more, long life, less maintenance, dynamic response is also fast, small in size, low cost, and less weight, and finally fast dynamic response in all static devices. So these are the main advantages for oral con devices, and it has some applications. First applications is industrial, second transportations. So first industrial applications, what are industrial applications? Motor drives, electrolysis, electroplating, induction heating. So where electrolysis, electroplating and induction heating, motor drives. So these are all are considered industrial applications. In motor drives means speed control of induction motor, speed control of synchronous motor, asynchronous motor, shed-based drives. All are should be controlled by using PE converters. Okay, so it is very advantage why you consider PE concepts. So to control the motors and electrolysis also, electroplating, induction heating. And second applications, transportations applications, trains, locomotives, subway cars, trolley buses, magnetic levitations, electric vehicles, and automotive electronics. So these all are considered in your transportations. If you take any one, so if you take all are considered as a PE concepts. Okay, applications, industrial and transportations, and utility systems, HVD systems, and FACTS. What is meant by HVDC? High voltage DC transmission. FACTS, flexible AC transmission systems. So HVDC, we are using PE concepts in HVDC also. FACTS, FACTS controllers. Number of controllers are there. So if you take any controller FACT devices, we are using as a all connect devices, either a MOSFET, whatever it is. So different devices are there. We discuss later classes, no problem. Utility systems. And the fourth applications are power supplies for all kinds of electronic equipment. That is telecommunications, computers, office equipment, and electronic instruments are there. Power supplies for all kinds of electronic equipment. Finally, residential and home appliances. So residential home appliance means what? Lighting, heating, air conditioning, refrigerations, freezers, cooking and cleaning. So all are we are using as a PE converters, PE devices, lighting, heating, air conditioning, refrigerations, freezers, and cooking and cleaning. So these are all using as a power electronics converters. So it is a starting classes. It is introduction classes about power electronics subject. Thank you. Thank you all.